In this video, we're going to be going over how to repost an Instagram post to your story. So first thing you want to do is open up the app on your phone. So once I'm on Instagram, I want to go over to my profile. So I click the little bottom right bubble that has my profile picture. Once I'm there, I'm going to find the post that I want to put on my story so I can share it to my story. So let's say I want to click into this first one here. And once I'm on this post, I'm going to scroll down just a little bit. And I'm going to click the little envelope button right here, right next to the 17. And when I click that, at the very bottom left, you'll see something that says add to story. So I'm going to click that here. And then I'll be able to post this either directly to my story, pressing the bottom left button, or I can add any text like, hey, check out this new video. And I can play around with this text. I can move it around, or I can always delete it if I want to. You can also change the size of this and move it around. And when someone clicks on this actual post, they'll be taken to that post on your profile. So from here, I can add stickers. I can do a little poll or something if I wanted to. I could add music. I can also make this a branded post if it is a sponsored post. And you have a couple other options down here on the right. You can also download it. From here, you can either post it directly to your story or click next and choose if you want to message it as well. But it's as easy as just pressing that bottom left button that says your story. And then this will automatically go to your Instagram story. And when people view it, they'll click directly on this video or this image, which it's the same process for both, and it'll take them to that post on your Instagram. So that's how you can share a new post to your Instagram story.